Welcome to Highfield Think Tank TV, Kasoma Farouk of Uganda. Let us hear from Honorable Semuju Nganda of Kira Municipality after losing the elections.
Eventually, circumstances forced me to join politics. I went there to make a contribution. I have been using Parliament as a platform to fight for freedom, to speak. Eventually, circumstances forced me to join politics. I went there to make a contribution. I have been using Parliament as a platform to fight for freedom, to speak for the voiceless. That one platform has gone away. You now have me on NBS. I'll have some other platforms. I'm not angry with anyone. We are in this together. This country is bleeding. People are crying, including those. Me, I have said I lost an election. There are those who won, but the losers have been declared. You have people who have been arrested. Today I visited the Honorable Mwanga Chivumbi in Chitaria. Dr. Kizza Besigye is sick in Luzira. So if I am going to cry about an election, what about Besigye, who sacrificed at least 4 years of his life in a jet life to fight for Uganda, and he can be denied treatment in Luzira where he is? I will be ungrateful for me to focus on just Semuju being an MP. I want to focus